Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 22 to 28, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Yan. So let's see what's coming to you this week. Anong parating sa mga Leo? Page of Cups. So, meron kang source of happiness ngayong week na to. Maaring merong offer, can be a job offer, romantic offer, love offer, na magbibigay sa'yo ng kakikiligan. Oo. Pwede rin naman kung meron kayong anak, maaring yung anak nyo, meron siyang maibibigay sa inyo na regalo. Can be anything, no? Let's see your challenge. You have the 9 of Wands. Ayan, medyo pagod. Marami ata kayong gagawin ngayong week na to, Leo. Maaring meron kayong situation ngayon na pinagtitiisan dahil sa tingin nyo meron kayong makukuhang reward dito sa situation na yan. Can be a career, relationship, pero ano yan strength, no? Lakas. Meron kang sapat na lakas para kayanin yan. Your opportunity, you have the Hermit. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity na mag-reassess ng situation nyo. Kumbaga parang pagninilay-nilay sa mga bagay na gusto nyong magbago sa buhay nyo or sa mga bagay na gusto nyo pang palawakin. Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo parang feeling nyo pagod na kayo sa isang situation, naisip nyo, ano ba to, itutuloy ko pa ba to, magtitiis pa ba ako, hanggang kailan, yung mga ganon. So let's see your blessing. The blessing is, wow, the World card. So this is achievement, Leo. Meron kang certain achievement for yourself, no? Maaring masasabi mo na, kaya pala, marami akong pinagtiisan dahil worth it naman pala. So what I'm seeing here is whatever you are working on right now, ine-effortan mo, tinatrabaho mo, lalo na sa career mo, this is going to be rewarding for you. And then, yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong iiwasan or iiwanan na situation because you feel like tapos na yon, no? Na-accomplish mo na, parang kabanata na nagsasara para sa'yo dahil meron ka nang i-welcome na new chapter sa buhay mo. May bagong kabanata na nagbubukas para sa'yo. Let's see your money, career, finances for Leo. Uy, the devil. This is Capricorn energy. You have the 10 of Wands. Oh, yun nga. Yung iba sa inyo overwork. Kasi the devil is also about obsession. So some of you may be going to obsess with your career. Kaya lang, no, pay attention to that. Kasi minsan, masyado tayong focus sa mga gusto nating ma-achieve to the point na nasa-sacrifice na rin yung ating well-being, yung ating kalusugan. Okay? So, pay attention to that. You also have, di ba? Four of Swords. So, pinagpapahinga kayo. Leo. Pahinga rin daw kapag pagod. Huwag mag-overwork. So, yung iba, meron kayong i-discover or i-expand pa na talents and skills ninyo. So, yung iba ay dadalhin nyo to sa social media, mainstream media. You will be seen, no? Kaya, kumbaga, makikita kayo ng maraming tao. Some of you, nasa content creation, showcase yung talents, yung skill set nyo. Kaya lang minsan, we tend to obsess na, okay, sige, gagawin ko to tuloy-tuloy. May hangganan, syempre, kasi kung ikaw ay lagi mong pupuyatin yung sarili mo, hindi na healthy yun, no? So, meron ka i-let go na unhealthy habits na hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad ng iyong career, ng iyong trabaho, ng iyong finances. So, let's see sa love life. You have the Four of Wands, the High Priestess. So, you may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you, parang meron kayong mga plans for your relationship na sinasarili nyo lang. Pwedeng hindi nyo pinapaalam sa inyong partner na ito yung gusto kong mangyari, ganyan. Pero kumbaga, you're keeping it to your person. Pwedeng siguro meron kang surprise sa kanya. Or pwedeng other way around na yung person mo, meron siya mga plans about your relationship na hindi niya sinasabi pa sa'yo. Dahil baka ikaw ay iso-surprise nito. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng hindi nyo alam na buntis kayo or buntis yung partner nyo. So, just take whatever resonates. I feel like someone here sa relationship, merong plano na of settling down. So, nang lumagay sa tahimik. Uy, may reconciliation. Oh, di ba? Wedding, settling down talaga. Siguro nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, tampuhan, pero aayusin nyo yan. Kasi syempre, you love each other. You care for each other. Let's see what else for this week. We have Moon in Cancer in the 4th house. Friendship. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas lalo nyong patitibayan ang inyong connection sa inyong family or yung mga kinoconsider nyo na family. Kasi sabi nga ang family daw ay hindi lang sa dugo, but also your choice, yung mga pinipili mong maging family by choice. Ayan. So, you will have deeper connection with your what you call family. So, yan. Let's see what else. You have Mercury in Capricorn in the 10th house. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are into social media, may communication Anything that is about communication, yung inyong trabaho, business, or career ninyo, you will gain more popularity. Maaring mas maraming makakakilala sa inyo ngayon. And you will form a good reputation sa career path mo. You have the Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Wow, enthusiastic. Siguro meron kayong mga future plans of traveling, learning more. So, mas open ka ngayon sa mga bagong ideas, mga bagong kaalaman. And you have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house. I think meron kang aayusin sa iyong daily routine. Yung alam mo na hindi na helping you, no longer serving your highest good, you will eliminate that, no? Tatanggalin mo. Oo. Kasi gusto mo lang yung mga magbibigay ng value, mag-a-add ng value sa buhay mo. Oo nga naman, 'di ba? Gusto natin na kung ano lang yung valuable, parang pipili ka. Alin dito yung pinakamaganda na butterfly. Oo, kaya nga siguro meron kayong i-release na unhealthy habits in your career or your business or yung day-to-day life na routine na paulit-ulit yung ginagawa na hindi naman helpful. So, i-release nyo na yan. Speaking of pagre-release, this is about ending. So, take care of your health. Okay? Oo. Yung pagpupuyat, yan, associated rin yan sa inyong kalusugan, Leo. So, pay attention to your health. And then, meron kang obstacle na ma-overcome this week. Whatever this is, as long as meron kang courage, lakas ng loob to work things out. So, some of you, meron kayong parating na good news. This can be may kinalaman sa trabaho nyo, sa anything about money, or kung meron kayong mga ine-expect na packages, parating na siya. Okay, you have passion. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Yes, i-honor mo na yung deepest desires mo, what you really want in your life. Doon ka mas magfo-focus. Ito na yung ritual. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong daily routine. Steady yourself with simple rituals. Do the dishes, fold laundry, water the plants, make a cup of tea, let wisdom sneak up on you. Ayan. So, kumbaga, yung mga mundane na ginagawa mo day to day, you will enjoy it. No? Kumbaga, hindi mo lang siya gagawin dahil kailangan. Kumbaga, yung ginagawa mong yon ay i-enjoy mo. Example, paghuhugas ng pinggan, enjoy mo siya kasi maaring meron kang mga ideas na papasok sa isip mo habang naghuhugas ka ng pinggan. 'Di ba? It happens or maaalala mo yung mga bagay na nakalimutan mo na importante pala. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.